Hello everyone. The topic which we are going to deal today is tricks for classification of boranes. So there are various types of boranes and among them important are closo, nido, arachno and hypo. And you should know the general formula to classify whether they are closo, nido, arachno or hypo. So the general formula of closo is BnHn 2 minus, and either this or you can also write this in this form BnHn plus 2. Okay, at the top if you're going to write it as a 2 minus. If you're going to write at the bottom it will be become a plus 2. And same way for nido also the formula is BnHn minus 4 bracket minus 4 or 4 bracket 4 minus, and you can also write it as a BnHn plus 4. And for arachno it is BnHn 6 minus, which is also equal to BnHn plus 6. Next, hypo. For hypo you can write the formula. General formula of hypo is BnHn 8 minus, which is equal to BnHn plus 8. So these are the general formula of classifying closo, nido, arachno and hypo. So under that we are going to take the first example, that is B2H6. So you know that B2H6 is nothing but it is a diborane. And first you should write the given borane in a BnHn form. Okay. First you should write in a BnHn form. Just bear with the writing because on the screen I'm managing to write well, but like board it won't come that much neat. So you should write first of all it in a BnHn form. And if you're going to write B2H6 in a BnHn form, here N is nothing but number of boranes, so it is a B2H2. Okay, it is a B2H2. And then you should add what is left number of hydrogens. So the total number of hydrogens, you can see here the total number of hydrogens are 6. So if you're going to add plus 4, then it will become a 6. So you can see here, this is the type of BnHn plus 4. So you can see this is in the type of BnHn plus 4. So by observing the general formulas, BnHn plus 4 is nothing but it's a nido. It's a nido. Therefore, the type of boron is nido. And the other example you are going to see is the B5H8 1 minus. It's a 1 minus. So if this 1 minus, you should bring to the bottom. So you'll be getting B5H8 plus 1. So which is equal to B5H9. Now we are going to write it in a general form, that is BnHn. Same way BnHn. So here N is number of boron atoms. So which is equal to B equal to 5. So here you can write it is a 5. So B5H5. Okay. So it's a B5H5. Now if you are going to, number of hydrogens are 9. So if you want to get 9, you should add plus 4. So just add plus 4. So it is equal to the form of BnHn plus 4. So which is nothing but it is also a nido. BnHn plus 4 is a nido. Next, one more example, B4H10. So by seeing itself you can say this answer. 4. Number of boron atoms are 4 and number of hydrogen atoms are 10. So it is for from boron it is 6 times more. So N plus 6. So N plus 6 nothing but it's a arachno. So by seeing itself you can say that answer. And if you're going to see B4H10, where it is the cursor, one second, my cursor. So it is a B4H10, which is, if you are going to write in a general form, BnHn B4H4, and for 10 you should add 6, so which is in the form of BnHn plus 6. Therefore it is an arachno. The type of boron is arachno. So one more example, if you are going to see B6H6 2 minus. So if you are going to bring at the bottom this top one, it will become B6H6 plus 2. So total is B6He8. So if you're going to write in general form, that is BnHn, B6H6. So for 8, we should add 2. The general formula is in the form of BnHn plus 2. So here BnHn plus 2 is nothing but it's a closure. Here is my cursor. It is a closure. So these are some examples of classification of boranes. So very simple. First you should convert them into the form of BnHn and just add the remaining number of hydrogens and just classify by seeing whether it comes under BnHn plus 2 or BnHn plus 4 or BnHn plus 6 or BnHn plus 8. And next, if you're going to see a carboranes, for classifying the carboranes, you should know the valency electrons and their isolable fragment. Okay, so for 3 electrons, if you're going to see, it equal to a isolable fragment boron, which contains 3 valence electrons. Next, 4 electrons, which is equal to isolable fragment BH, and 5 electrons, which is equal to isolable fragment BH2, and 6 electrons, which are equal to a isolable fragment BH3. So first of all, if you're going to take carboranes as example, C2B9H11. Here the carbon contains 4 valence electrons, which is equal to 4 is equal to here BH. So that is equal to BH. So 1 carbon equal to BH. So here 2 carbons are there. So BH taken 2 times. Just substitute in the place of carbon. That is BH taken 2 times B9H11. So just count the number of boranes and hydrogens. You'll be getting a total count, that is B11H13. Just write in a general form, that is BnHn. So which is equal to B11H11, as they are 13 plus 2. Hydrogen will be getting plus 2. So this is in the form of BnHn plus 2, which is the closure. The general formula of closure is BnHn plus 2. Next, one more example if you are going to take, that is C2B2H8. Here also 1 carbon contains 4 valence electrons, which is equal to 1 BH. So 2 carbons are there. So you are going to write BH taken 2 times. Just substitute in the place of carbon BH taken twice, B2H8. So total you will be getting after counting B4H10. So if you are going to write in general form, that is BnHn, B4H4. Total number of hydrogens are 10. So 4 plus 6 equal to 10. So B4H4 plus 6. So this is in the form of BnHn plus 6, which is a arachino type of borane. So in this way you are going to calculate the carboranes. Next, skeletal electron pair. So they might be asking the number of skeletal electron pairs by giving a formula of a carborane. Okay, by giving the formula of a carborane, they might be asking to calculate the number of skeletal pairs. For closure, the number of skeletal pair formula is n plus 1. For nido, it is n plus 2. For arachino, it is n plus 3. For hypo, it is n plus 4. Under that, if you are going to take example of B8H14, here B8H14, if you are going to write in general form, there is BnHn, it is equal to B8H8. Here n is number of borons. So B8H8, so here it is 14. So you should count, we should add 6, which is equal to 8 plus 6 equal to 14. So it is in the form of BnHn plus 6. Okay, it is a form of BnHn plus 6. So which is equal to a arachino. So for arachino, if you are going to calculate the skeletal electron pair, you can see here. For arachino, it is For arachino, it is n plus 3. So here n is the number of boron atoms. So just do that, n plus 3. Number of boron atoms are 8. 8 plus 3, which is equal to 11. So this is the skeletal electron pair of a given formula of a borane. So in this way, you are going to calculate that skeletal electron pair and you are going to classify the boranes. Thank you.